How are you feeling today? Are you stressed or anxious? Do you think you could benefit from some relaxation and peace of mind? Welcome to a space where we acknowledge these feelings and focus on the power of inner peace. Let's embark on an enlightening journey where we explore meditation and its transformative effect on anxiety. Anxiety is an experience that many of us face. It's a condition that can be daunting, overwhelming, and at times, seemingly unmanageable. But there's a beacon of hope in this storm of worry: meditation. This practice, rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern science, has been shown to reduce anxiety, fostering a sense of calm and serenity. It's a tool that allows us to step back from the whirlwind of worry and find our inner equilibrium. Our intention in this video is to guide you through the process of meditation, to help you navigate the turbulent waters of anxiety. We'll delve into the intricacies of mindfulness and loving-kindness meditations, two powerful techniques that have been known to alleviate anxiety. Mindfulness meditation helps us anchor ourselves in the present moment, allowing us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about embracing the now, and in doing so, we can separate ourselves from the anxiety that often stems from worrying about the past or the future. Loving-kindness meditation, on the other hand, fosters a sense of compassion and love for ourselves and others. It's a practice that counters the self-criticism and negative thought patterns often associated with anxiety, and instead promotes a sense of connection and inner peace. In this journey, you are not alone. We're here with you, offering guidance and support as you explore these techniques and their potential to bring tranquility to your life. The journey may not always be easy, but remember, every step you take towards managing your anxiety is a step towards a more peaceful you. So, let's embark on this journey together, towards understanding and practicing these powerful meditation techniques. Through meditation, you can find a sense of calm and peace, bringing relief to your anxious feelings. Mindfulness meditation is a technique that focuses on being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment, without interpretation or judgment. Imagine being in a bustling city, with the noise of traffic, the chatter of pedestrians, and the colorful chaos of life all around you. Now, imagine being able to sit in the middle of all that and find a sense of calm and peace within yourself. That's what mindfulness meditation can help you achieve. Mindfulness meditation is a practice that's rooted in ancient Buddhist tradition but has been widely embraced in the Western world due to its potential to alleviate stress and anxiety. It's a technique that encourages you to slow down, to focus on the here and now, to really tune into what you're experiencing in the present moment. But how does this help with anxiety? Well, think about how anxiety often arises. It's a response to worries about the future or regrets about the past. Your mind gets caught in a loop of what-ifs and if-onlys. Anxiety pulls you out of the present and traps you in a cycle of worry and fear. Mindfulness meditation breaks that cycle. It brings you back to the present, focusing your attention on what you're experiencing right now, without judgment or interpretation. You learn to observe your thoughts and feelings as they are, not as you wish they were. This doesn't mean that you ignore your feelings or that you won't feel anxious anymore. Instead, mindfulness teaches you to acknowledge your feelings without letting them overwhelm you. It allows you to say, I am feeling anxious right now, and that's okay. I can sit with this feeling without letting it control me. In this way, mindfulness meditation cultivates a sense of calm and balance, allowing you to navigate through life's ups and downs with a greater sense of ease. It encourages you to accept things as they are, rather than how you wish they were, leading to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. By paying attention to the present moment, you can gain a greater sense of clarity and perspective, which can help reduce anxiety. Now begin your journey to mindfulness. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. What matters most is your willingness to commit to the process. Let's start by focusing on our breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. Hold it for a moment, then slowly release. Feel the air flowing out of your lungs, through your nose or mouth. Repeat this process, focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. This is breath awareness. It's simple, yet powerful. By focusing on your breath, you can bring your mind to the present moment, away from any anxieties or worries. Now that you're attuned to your breath, let's move on to the body scan. Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations you might feel. It could be tension, relaxation, warmth, coolness, or even nothing at all. That's fine. The point is not to feel something specific, but to simply observe what's there. Slowly move your attention down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Pay attention to each part of your body, one at a time. Notice the sensations as you move from your neck to your shoulders, then down your arms to your fingertips. Continue this process, moving through your torso, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your toes. Remember, there's no need to rush. Take your time and observe. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Simply notice that your mind has wandered and gently bring your focus back to your body. There's no judgment here, only observation and acceptance. As you continue with the body scan, you might notice areas of tension or discomfort. That's okay, don't try to change anything or push any discomfort away, simply observe. By doing so, you're developing a sense of awareness and acceptance of your body as it is. This practice of breath awareness and body scan can help you cultivate a sense of presence and calmness. It encourages you to let go of worries about the future or regrets about the past, and to simply be in the moment. As we draw this mindfulness meditation to a close, take one last deep breath. Exhale slowly, and gently start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you, the feeling of the floor or chair beneath you. As you conclude your mindfulness meditation, take a moment to notice how your body feels and the state of your mind. Are you feeling more relaxed? Do you have a greater sense of peace? Remember, every experience with meditation is unique and your experience is valid. The important thing is that you took this time for yourself to be present and mindful, and for that, you should be proud. Another powerful technique is loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta. This form of meditation is about cultivating an attitude of love and kindness towards oneself and others. When we talk about loving-kindness meditation, we're talking about shifting our focus from the breath, or the body, to the heart. This form of meditation centers around feelings of compassion, goodwill, and love, both for ourselves and for others. It's about nurturing these feelings, allowing them to flourish and radiate outwards from us. Now you might be wondering, how can this help with anxiety? Well, anxiety often comes hand in hand with negative self-talk and self-criticism. We can be our own worst critics, and this harsh inner dialogue can fuel feelings of anxiety. Loving-kindness meditation is like a soothing balm for these wounds. By consciously cultivating feelings of kindness and compassion towards ourselves, we can counteract this negative self-talk. We start to see ourselves in a more positive light, as beings deserving of love and kindness. We learn to treat ourselves with the same compassion we would show a good friend. The practice of loving-kindness meditation typically involves the repetition of phrases that express goodwill and kindness. These phrases might be something like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." This repetition serves as a kind of mantra, a focal point for our meditation. But this meditation isn't just about ourselves. We also extend these feelings of love and kindness outwards, to others. This might include loved ones, neutral people, or even those we have difficulty with. In this way, loving-kindness meditation can also help to foster feelings of empathy and connection, further supporting our mental well-being. The beauty of loving-kindness meditation is that it's not just a practice, it's a way of being. It's about cultivating an ongoing attitude of kindness and compassion, both for ourselves and for others. Through loving-kindness meditation, you can foster a sense of self-compassion and develop a more positive outlook. With regular practice, you'll find yourself responding to life's challenges with more grace and resilience, and your anxiety may just start to ease. Ready to spread some love and kindness? Begin with yourself, because self-love is the first step towards healing. As we venture into the practice of loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta, remember that it's a journey of compassion towards yourself and towards others. So let's start this journey by finding a comfortable position. You could be sitting, standing, or lying down. As long as you're comfortable, that's what matters. Now gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you breathe out, let go of any tension or discomfort. Feel your body relax with each exhalation. This is your time, a special moment for you to show kindness to your own self. Start by focusing your attention inward. Try to visualize your own self, as if you're looking at yourself from a distance. Acknowledge your presence, acknowledge your existence. Now let's chant some phrases of loving kindness towards ourselves. Silently repeat these phrases in your mind and feel the warmth of these words as they permeate your being. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease. Feel the positive energy these words create. Allow this energy to fill your heart and mind. Bask in this warmth, this light that you've created within you. Now let's extend this love and kindness to others. Think of a loved one. Picture their face, their smile. Now direct the same phrases of loving kindness towards them. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live with ease. Visualize the positive energy from your heart flowing towards them, enveloping them in a warm, loving light. Feel the connection between you and them strengthen. Next, bring to mind someone neutral, someone you don't have strong feelings for. Repeat the same phrases for them. This practice enhances our ability to show compassion to all, not just those we have strong bonds with. Finally, think of someone you have difficulty with. This may seem challenging, but remember, loving kindness is about unconditional love and compassion. Repeat the phrases for them and feel your heart expand. As we practice this form of meditation regularly, we cultivate an attitude of love and kindness not just towards others but also towards ourselves. This helps us to replace negative emotions with positive ones, bringing a sense of peace and calm to our minds. As you conclude your loving kindness meditation, take a moment to soak in the feelings of warmth, connection, and inner peace. Consistency is key in meditation. Even a few minutes each day can make a remarkable difference. Meditation is like a seed. When you cultivate a seed with love, the more it blossoms. Similarly, the habit of meditation becomes more profound and intuitive the more you practice. Regular practice can help you establish a rhythm, making it an integral part of your daily routine. It's akin to brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. It becomes a part of your day that feels incomplete without it. However, consistency doesn't mean that your practice needs to be rigid or inflexible. On the contrary, meditation is a deeply personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to adapt the techniques to suit your preferences and needs. Perhaps you find peace in the early morning silence, or maybe you prefer a midday mindfulness break. Maybe you connect with breath awareness, or perhaps the practice of loving kindness resonates with you more. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to meditation, and that's the beauty of it. It's a personal journey of exploration, self-discovery, and growth. Maintaining consistency and motivation in practicing meditation can sometimes be challenging, especially in our fast-paced world where immediate results are often expected. However, it's important to remember that the benefits of meditation are cumulative and often subtle. They quietly infiltrate various aspects of our lives, improving our mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being. Here are a few tips to help you maintain your practice. Firstly, set a regular time each day for your practice. This helps establish a routine and signals to your mind that it's time to quiet down and focus inward. Secondly, create a dedicated meditation space. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A quiet corner with a comfortable chair or cushion is enough. A dedicated space can help condition your mind to enter a state of relaxation and focus when you sit there. Thirdly, be patient with yourself. Some days your mind will be busy and filled with thoughts, and that's okay. Meditation is not about emptying the mind, but about becoming aware of what's going on in there without judgment. And lastly, remember why you started. On those days when motivation is low, remind yourself of why you decided to meditate in the first place. Was it to reduce anxiety, to cultivate peace, to develop self-awareness? Whatever it was, let that be the fuel that drives your practice. Remember, it's okay to take a moment for yourself and prioritize your mental health. Embrace the practice of meditation and discover the power of a peaceful mind. Thank you for watching Yoga 947. Come back and visit anytime. Until next time, namaste.